Next is multiplication and division of directed numbers. Like I said earlier, plus times plus is plus, minus times minus is plus, minus times plus is minus, and plus times minus is minus. Two same positive signs or two same negative signs always give addition or positive as the answer. While when you have a negative and a positive sign, or a positive and a negative sign, two different signs, the outcome is always negative. Same for division. When you have positive dividing positive, the outcome is always positive. And when you have negative dividing negative, the outcome is always positive. But when you have a negative dividing a positive, or a positive dividing a negative, the outcome is always negative. So the best way to know it is when you have two different signs, a positive and a negative sign, the outcome is always negative. But when you have two same signs, like two positive signs or two negative signs, the outcome is always positive. And this will help us in the multiplication and division of directed numbers. So we start. For this question, we are going for the signs first. So we go negative times negative or minus times minus. We're going for the signs first. Two same signs multiplying themselves, the outcome is always positive. So we have it as plus. Then 2 times 2 is 4. So you can either write plus 4 or 4. We can just write 4, since it doesn't matter if we have the positive sign in front of it or not. For the second question, first 2 has a positive sign, since there's no positive or negative sign written in front of it. We go for the signs first. Plus times minus. Plus and a minus. A positive sign times a negative sign. That's two different signs. The outcome is always negative. Then we can do 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer to the second question is minus 4, unlike the first one. For the third question, we have minus 8 divided by minus 2. You know, we said when it's division, minus divided by minus, the outcome is always plus. So we have it as plus. Then we can now go 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. For this question, we have minus 8 divided by plus 2. We go for the sign first. Minus divided by plus, two different signs. The outcome is always minus. Then we have 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So the answer to this is 4. In addition, what if you have minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2? What's the answer? You can just do it outright straight, but for students to easily understand, we'll take these 2 first. We can choose to multiply these 2 first, then the result we multiply it by this. So we go for this first 2. We know minus times minus is plus. So we have plus. Then 2 times 2 is 4. So for these 2, answer to the multiplication of these 2 is plus 4. Then we still have times minus 2. That means the result plus 4 times minus 2. This other minus 2. We have positive times negative. Two different signs. The outcome is always negative. 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer to this question is minus 8. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 is minus 8. Because you can say minus times minus is positive. Then the positive you've gotten times is negative. A positive and a negative will give you a negative. So we have minus. Then 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer to this question is minus 8.